Bring some wood and juicy food, yeah, we can make it. All our hidden aspirations elevated. Don't look back, we have our goal, yeah, we can make it. Why the hell are you so fucking agitated? I can DIY anything you told me we are unable to buy. I can see that in your eyes. There's absolutely nothing we would have to sacrifice. Just imagine all the joy that we are making, all the little details we are calculating. Don't look back, we have our goal, yeah, we can make it. Don't you dare to be so fucking agitated. There's absolutely